Lesson number 6. I wish I were. Ashwin had gone to the park with his mother. He saw a red balloon floating high in the sky. Look at the balloon, he said to his mother. How pretty it looks. I wish I could be a balloon. And what will you do if you were a balloon? I'll go up in the sky and roam with the wind. When I see children who don't have any toys, I'll go down and play with them. Ashwin had gone for a picnic with his family. It was a hot afternoon. Ashwin spotted a big green mango tree at a distance. What a beautiful tree, he said to his mother. It looks so cool and shady. I wish I could be a mango tree. His mother smiled and said, and what will you do if you were a mango tree? I'll give shade to people and animals. I'll have fruits for everyone who visits me. One night, Ashwin was going back home with his mother. He looked up and saw the big lights on the tall lamp posts. How bright and lovely they are, he said to his mother. I wish I were a tall street light. Hmm, said his mother with a smile. And what will you do if you were a street light? I'll shine brightly and light up the road so no one will be afraid to be out in the dark. Ashwin was watching TV with his mother. He saw a big river flowing past forests and woods, fields and villages. What a lot of water! I wish I were a big river. Oh my! And what will you do when you are a river? I'll flow along forests. I'll water the fields. I'll be a home to fish and turtles. I'll go to places where there's no water and make the people happy. Ashwin's mother thought, my little boy wants to be so many things to make people happy, but he makes me happy simply because he is Ashwin.